Hi, I'm Kate Miller from Amplify Your Influence. I'm a business coach in Sydney and I've been coaching with Natasha since last year. Every coach needs a coach. Since I've been working with her, I've been able to fully book out my workshops, which has been amazing. She has provided so much insight into how to write copy in order to attract your ideal clients. She's helped me improve my sales conversions. She's helped me clean up all of my Facebook and Instagram, my website. She's just done so much for me. We've created incredible click funnels together with her expertise. Something that she's really, really gifted at is taking what's in my brain and making it really real and tangible and attractive. So she has incredible skills. One of the biggest ones is that I've gone from really stressed and overwhelmed and confused to really being clear and calm and feeling super organized, which is a really good feeling when you're in business. So yeah, she's just taken my whole brand and made it pop, made it more professional. So I'm super grateful. Thanks, Natasha.